Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to enable autoplay videos on the Pinterest app for PC, especially with the new update that's made this feature easier to manage. If you've noticed that your videos aren't automatically starting anymore and want to change that, this guide will help you get it done quickly and smoothly. First, start by opening the Pinterest app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with your account where you want the autoplay feature to be active. Once the app is open, look at the left side menu. You'll see a list of options there. Scroll down just a bit until you find Settings. Click on Settings, and this will take you into the main control panel for your Pinterest experience. Here is where all your customization happens. From Settings, find and select the section called Social Permissions. This part manages how Pinterest interacts with your social and media content, including your video autoplay preferences. Inside Social Permissions, you'll see the option to enable or disable autoplay videos. By default, this might be turned off or set differently depending on your previous app settings or the recent update. Simply click the toggle beside autoplay videos to turn it on. This means Pinterest will now start playing videos automatically as you scroll through your feed, allowing for a more dynamic browsing experience without extra clicks. After you've enabled autoplay, don't forget to save the changes. There's a Save button usually at the bottom or top right of the screen. Click it to ensure your settings are updated, and Pinterest remembers your preference the next time you open the app. And that's it. From now on, autoplay videos will work seamlessly on your Pinterest app for PC, making your feed more engaging. If you ever want to turn the feature off, just head back to Settings, then Social Permissions, and toggle it off again. Thanks for tuning in.